What's up, guys? So at the end of the month, tomorrow, I'm gonna go to Ryobi rehab because I am addicted. I bought this kit. It's $129 at Home Depot, and I just want to check it out. I do have a need for the whole kit, and this is my last Ryobi haul. Well, let's see what we get for $129. Get a bag. A nice bag. All right. Open her up. And in it, got a work light. See what batteries they gave us. You get 2 batteries. I was hoping they'd be 2 amp hour, but they are 1.3. So it's definitely not an LED light. But that's alright. Get the light. You got the 2 batteries, the light, one of their cheaper chargers, nonetheless still charges stuff. We get a carbide tipped 18 tooth saw blade and a sawzall blade in there. Looks like 2 of them, wood and metal. Here we got the drill. It's one of the big ones. You can see the stats on the side there. Not bad though. I mean, for the money, this will get you by with most of the stuff you need to do. I'd say around the house, but I mean, you could roll with this, you know, at work, depending on what you do. Let's pop battery in the drill. No LED light. Not too bad. Then you got the circ saw. Nothing fancy. I do like that they always have the key. And I do like the battery placement. Kind of makes it nice and compact. Let's see here. Got the markings. Pretty standard. Does have a blade stop to change blades. That's always a nice feature. And included in this is also a recip saw. I always like having two, and now I do. It's not bad. Recip saw, fairly standard. Blade change right there. So you get the recip, the work light, the drill, circ saw, battery charger. Not a bad little kit. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.